Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. I've got my 300 subscriber giveaway going on right now, as well as at least one or two other ones. Also for the month of September, so I always do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. So for the month of September, it is the Ruby May Mood Palette. I will put a link that will take you to the different videos that talk about how to enter each of the different giveaways. The number one rule for all the giveaways is that you must be a subscriber because I do it for you guys. So let's get into the Macy's beauty box. Macy's is one of my favorite beauty box as far as like samples because they really do send some high-end stuff, and every once in a while they will also throw in a full-size product. It's $15 a month. There is usually a makeup bag in there. I know once it wasn't a makeup bag, it was like a makeup brush holder roll, which was super cute. And they also put a coupon code in there for you to either receive $5 off any Macy's beauty product that you can use in store or online. And every once in a while, they will throw in a $10 off coupon. So let's dive into the box. So there's a card that talks about all the different products. There's no makeup bag or makeup roll or anything like that in here. All the products come neatly wrapped in tissue paper. So I'm wondering if there's something else in here. Ooh, so this was a month that we got a $10 off code. So instead of the bag, we kind of got this little thing. So it's created for Macy's. It's a 2-in-1 blender and brush. So if you can kind of see, it's got a brush on this side, and then this side has, how cute is this? So here is your brush, and then here is your blender. This would be perfect for if you are traveling or anything like that. Here's a product that I use all the time. It's a Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I actually have the full size. Let me grab it for you really quick. So it's meet the new hero of your PM routine. It transforms from a solid balm to silky oil, removing makeup and giving your skin the cleanse it deserves. And here's what this looks like. Here is the inside. So I actually use this all the time. And I do have the full size of it. And what I do, especially on a day where I am wearing a ton of makeup and I'm filming like today, my first step as far as taking all the makeup off is I will scoop my hands in here, rub it all over my face. Then I get my hands a little wet and then rub it in a little more, and it starts to foam up just a little bit. And what it's doing, it's emulsifying all that makeup so that it comes off a whole lot easier. That's the purpose of using a balm. It's not necessarily to get all the makeup off that first time. It's to break it all down so that you can get it off, especially that second time. So I do this as part of a two-step. I will do this as the first step, as the two-step as far as taking off my makeup. I do this as far as first step. Second step, I'll go in with my cleanser, my Clarisonic, and work my magic that way. So this will be great for traveling. Oh, I've tried a couple products from Perricone MD. This is the High Potency Face Finishing and Affirming Moisturizer. A full size of this retails for $69 if you love the plumping, firming, hydrating effects of this wonder cream. The Luxe Rose scent will make a new fave. Your pro tip, rub on generously after you serum and to lock in all the benefits. It has a very slight rose smell, but nothing too much. And then there's what the product looks like. It just rubs in enough. So I like this. From StriVictin is an Anti-Wrinkle Recode Serum. Kick fine lines and wrinkles to the curb. It's never too late or too early to fight signs of anti-aging and reclaim the smoothest, brightest skin. Retails full size for $89. Pro tip, add the switch formula to your AM and PM regime for best results. Since I've already started setting stuff aside for that 400 giveaway, I like doing skincare and makeup and hair care and a little bit of everything, so I'm gonna throw this in there. Ooh, from Tarte is the Amazon Clay 12-Hour Blush in Exposed. Not only will you love the Luxe long-wearing formula, but this universally flattering, perfect for all shades will be your new go-to. Full size retails for $29. Pro tip, double as an eyeshadow for a quick and easy monochromatic look. It says that was in the shade Exposed, but on the back here it says Feisty. And here's what that looks like. It's a little deep for me. I'm gonna put this one in that giveaway as well. By Nudestix is Intense Matte Pencil. It's a perfect nude blush tone for anyone and everyone. This non-drying soft matte serves up a lot of pigment in a compact stick. Full size does retail for $24. Pro tip, save space in your bag and other essentials. Use this little number for both lip and cheek touch-ups. And let's throw this one in that giveaway too. So Macy's usually always sends scents with theirs. And so they sent two of them this time, a men and a women's fragrance. They are from Azzaro. The women's fragrance is Wanted Girl. And it's a new at Macy's first. It's notes of ginger, flower, dulce de leche, and vivitar will leave you totally addicted. Full size, which is 2.7 ounces. Retails for $105. Ooh, I really like that. A little bit of floral, a little bit citrus. I really like this one. I like that one. So for the men's fragrance, it's a bold blend of lemon, cardamom, and tonka. Will have a powerful and irresistible effect on your senses. Full size is 3.4 ounces and retails for $89. I like it. It's not my favorite guy scent, but it's okay. It's kind of got that woodsy kind of smell to it. I love putting these little fragrance things in my son and my husband's little stocking stuffers. And then for the women's one, I got like a little glass, I've got a little plastic jar that I'll put all of these in, and then so when I have guests come over and they stay the night, I'll put this in their room, and that way they can have a choice of what type of perfume they'd like. So we got a couple things for me, a bunch for you in that upcoming giveaway, so stay tuned for that. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye!